Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to design flyers in the Canva app, particularly the web app. So when you visit canva.com, so don't forget, visit the description section. You're going to access all that important and amazing Canva related content that will help you improve in creating wonderful designs like thumbnails and so much more, and even flyer designs, promotional flyers, and etc. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So we designed this particular one using Canva AI. We did a beautiful work. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's say you're working on, you're working on several, you have a particular design page with several projects. So you move your cursor to templates, you click on templates, then this is where you describe your idea. So I'm going to tell it YouTube thumbnail, nail 4, then you write out what you want to design. I've already copied it out for how to design a professional logo using Canva and ChatGPT. Once you're done, you click on generate design here. Then it's thinking. Let's see if this is going to be good. Okay, so you see. Okay, now what I'm seeing here is not fine. I don't like this one, so I'm not gonna take it. So I'm just gonna replace what we have. Then click on generate design. Okay, this looks cool. Let's see. But I would have preferred them to use a mobile device. Because we use mobile, this is fine. But let me just show you so you see. Add as a new page. This is cool actually, but the only issue is mobile. Okay, let's say tell me for how to create AI marketing using CapCut AI on the mobile phone, on the mobile phone, on the mobile phone, then generate. So you could also edit all of this. You can see it's editable. Okay, so this is another one. So what we can do, you can take advantage of the background. This is another idea. Okay, take advantage of the background. So let's say create. Okay, this is beautiful actually. So creating AI marketing video using CapCut on mobile. So this is another idea. So this is another beautiful idea. Use the background to do cool designs. So I have some logos uploaded. So this is the cap. So select this CapCut logo. Okay. I need a white background. Let's see what we can manipulate. So let me use this. I'm gonna show you something, how you could improvise. So I'm going to bring it up. You could also make this how to create AI marketing videos using CapCut AI on mobile. So that's it. So we could export this one. So you click on share. I'm going to export this particular page. Then click on download. So that's basically it. So how to create AI marketing videos using CapCut AI on mobile. So this will design all of this right here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this.